Good morning. As you could tell, my kids were a little excited for breakfast this morning. Stay tuned to find out why. While you're waiting for that Dr. Seuss breakfast, there's a ship model you could take pictures in front of. There's the photo cutout boards you can take pictures in front of, and there's also some history in this porthole gallery. You can learn about different stages during the Carnival cruise lines. Well, I thought since I wasn't able to fly my drone, I would give you a little drone teaser. Here's a ship model right outside the Golden Jubilee and outside the Carnival restaurant where we're headed to breakfast. Here's a screen recording of all the Dr. Seuss breakfast items that you have to pick from. Here's a quick shot of my fruit parfait, and then one of my daughters got the truffle tree pancakes, and the other one decided to try the Horton cereal crusted French toast. I played it safe and went for the omelet. During your breakfast, they'll be sending around different characters like Thing 1 and Thing 2 and Cat in the Hat to get pictures with the kids, and then you can also get autographs as well. This is a quick shot inside the Golden Jubilee bar. Emma, would you guys take a Dr. Seuss breakfast for a second year in a row? Was it good?
Yeah.
I think Olivia should have got those waffles again.
Yeah.
Maybe next time.
But she already got your.
I wanted to quickly show you how there's only one set of elevators to take to get up to the 18th floor, up to the sports court, and that's these elevators right here. None of the other ones will go up to deck 18. The kids wanted to go check out the arcade, which is on deck 17. There is a lot of different games in here, and I just wanted to let you know that you can set daily spending limits on your kids' card, just so they're not in here racking up the bill, kind of like I am in the casino. after the arcade, we came out to the Lido and we were just in time for the Groove for St. Jude fundraiser party. I recommend everybody attend this event and, you know, maybe donate a little bit of money or whatever is comfortable for you. It's such a great event and you have a good time out here dancing with everybody. After all the dancing and excitement, of course, you know, we had to hit Shaq's Big Chicken one more time for lunch. Last lunch.
The water is
And the Shaq Attack.
Here's some silverware for you.
After lunch, the kids wanted to hit the water park one more time. Unfortunately, this will be our last night on the cruise ship. If you have little ones that are just learning to swim, here is a station to get a life jacket for them. Here is a quick shot of the kids menu in the main dining room, and this is typically what my kids would get is chicken nuggets and french fries. You can't go wrong with that. And unfortunately, this is a sad part to every cruise. It's your last dinner in the main dining room. Until we meet again, Carnival Chocolate Melting Cake.
Spectacular dining room team! Woo!
So give this cruise, we have danced for you and made you smile. Already we're so lonesome we could cry. So
This is the best place to get ice cream on the ship. It's in the Pig and Anchor towards the aft of the ship, and it's probably the coolest ice cream setup you'll find. This is the saddest part to every cruise. When you walk down this hallway and you see all the luggage lined up, so it means everybody's going home tomorrow morning. Well, that's a wrap for our 7-day cruise vlog and our second annual family cruise. I hope our video has helped you out in some way. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and leave a comment. Thank you.